Hey, look, you fell in the snow. Yeah, you got snow on your hand.
Send that to
Go
Jose.
like this. Go like this. There you go. There you go. Now you got to get up.
You need help?
There you go. I know, it's hard in those boots that don't bend at the ankle.
Man, I haven't seen snow like this since I left that Ohio.
There you go.
It didn't even snow this hard when I was home for Christmas.
Oops! Down again. Do you need help? Come on. Ah! There you go. You up?
Diego, you want to see what you can do in the snow? Look at this, Diego.
Do not throw a snowball at me. Did you throw it at him? Oh! Oh!
I actually threw it at you.
Okay, alright, come on.
I threw it at you, but I hit him.
Nice.
Because I'm a lousy shot.
Woo! D, not in the street.